In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear inner tail lamp assembly on this Honda Civic. This will be attached to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the trunk lid open, we're going to start dislodging this panel, but only in the corner that we're removing the lens from. For this, you're going to find that you have one push clip to remove. Commonly for these, you just want to remove the center and then you can start removing the outer portion as well. I'm using a pocket screwdriver. There's that. Let's take hold of this, we can pull it down. Now up in this area, we're going to start dislodging our two electrical connectors. We can start over here. This has a locking tab where my thumb is. Go ahead and press that in. We'll pull this out of place. Just a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see some, it needs to be taken care of. Let's get the next one. This one's over where my index finger is. Squeeze that in. That one looks good as well. Continuing on, we have three pieces of mounting hardware. We'll be using an 8mm. You'll find that you have an 8mm headed mounting nut here, right here, and then there's one on the outboard side. Let's start getting these out of here. Let's get this last one. That one looks a little bit different than the other two. Let's take hold of that lamp assembly and pull it away from the trunk lid. There it is, friend. Let's go ahead and clean up the mounting surface here. Just going to use a rag. We'll wipe out as much of this as possible. We'll apply some lubricant to this port. Now it's time to install the brand new inner tail lamp assembly. Before doing so, let's just have a quick look along the back side here. You'll find that we have our three mounting studs, which had those three mounting nuts. There's also one stud here that's going to align with the port that we just added lubricant. Start bringing this into position. Now let's press it in. Three of these started on here. It's time for our electrical connectors. The black connector goes out here. Line it up, press it in. Listen for a click, a light tug. Let's get the next one. Audible click. One more quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our trunk lid liner. When installing our plastic push clip, we want to make sure we push in the outer portion, then lock it in with the center. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and check the lamp functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.